Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into how to start earning free Bitcoin straight into your wallet every single hour. Go into your search engine and search for freebitco.in. Here is the site. Create an account in a very easy step. The password is optional. Here is the dashboard. Scroll down. You can explore the site yourself. Everything is very easy. Then click on verify you are woman. Then roll. Now you have won some BTC. After doing that, you can repeat this step in every 1 hour. Now after 59 minutes 51 seconds, I can be able to roll again and earn free BTC. The withdrawal is instant. You can withdraw anytime into your BTC wallet. Make sure you are checking the site every single hour so you can earn more in a day. Then let's go to the withdraw menu. Click on withdraw. On this page you can see how you can withdraw very easy. Here is the official BTC wallet for the site. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you all in the next video.